How to create Bank of America savings account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in bankofamerica.com and then search for it. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now, scrolling down, you're gonna find different options over here. Navigate to the option Savings and CDS. Click on it. You'll be directed to this page. Click on the option of Open Now. Get started. You're applying for Bank of America Advantage Savings. You're gonna get two options over here. If you have offer code, check in for this option. If you are a Bank of America online banking customer, check in for this option. Then you can click on the option of Go to Application. Now you'll need to go through some steps to create your Bank of America savings account. Fill out this form. Provide your personal details such as name, middle name, last name, suffix, date of birth. Likewise, provide your contact info, address, city, state, zip code, phone number, email address, residency, employment and finances status. Once you provide all these details, you can click on Next. And in the next pages as well, you will need to provide some information to create your account. Once you go through all the processes, your account will be created. So this way you can easily create your savings account. So this is how you can easily create your Bank of America savings account. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.